Are you looking for Seattle living with lake views, trails, and a neighborhood feel? Welcome to Sandpoint, one of the city's hidden gems. Living here means having the best of Seattle right at your fingertips. From waterfront access to the scenic trails in Magnuson Park to the shops and restaurants at the University Village just minutes away. Homes like this rarely hit the market, so don't wait and schedule your tour today.
You made me young again. Links turning into chains. Pretend I don't care. One day